Today we're going to do equations with addition. So I got two equations there. So 238 plus W equals 1,356. And in order to solve this, there's no way to reason this kind of thing out. You just have to solve it. In order to solve it, you just do the opposite of what's being done. So the opposite of adding 238 is going to be subtracting 238. So 238 minus 238 gives us 0, so we're left with just W over here. And then we do 1356 minus 238. And just follow your normal subtraction rules. So got to borrow to do 6 minus 8. So that's 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. And just bring down that 1. So W equals 1,118. So the same thing on the second one. We have P plus 23 and 6/10 equals 52 and 59 hundredths. So again, opposite of adding 23 and 6/10 would be subtracting 23 and 6/10. So 23 and 6/10 minus 23 and 6/10 gives us 0, so we just have P. And then we subtract the 52 and 59 hundredths minus 23 and 6/10. Again, follow your subtraction rules. Put that 0 placeholder if you need it. 9 minus 0 is 9. Need to borrow to do 5 minus 6. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Need to borrow again. So 11 minus 3 would give us 8. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So we get 28 and 99 hundredths. Alright, next problem is I ran 9 and 8/10 miles today, which is 5 and 7/10 miles further than Tom. How far did Tom run? So we've got to set up this equation. So we know the total I ran was 9 and 8/10. So we know this is going to equal 9 and 8/10. And we know Tom ran something. So I'll put a T for Tom. And since I went further than him, if you add what Tom did plus the 5 and 7/10 more that I did, you would get what what I ran of 9 and 8/10. So Tom plus 5 and 7/10 equals 9 and 8/10. So just solve this like we did on the last one. Opposite of adding 5 and 7/10 would be subtracting 5 and 7/10. So 5 and 7/10 minus 5 and 7/10 is 0. So I end up with T equals, and then just subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1, bring down the decimal. 9 minus 5 is 4. So Tom ran 4 and 1/10 miles. One more problem. Julie has $85. She got $20 for her birthday and the rest she earned working around the house. How much did she make working? So we know she has a total of 85, so we're going to equal 85. And we know she got $20 for her birthday. And we know she worked for the rest. So what she worked for plus the 20 she got for her birthday equals the 85. So in order to solve this, I'm going to do the opposite of adding 20. So I'm going to subtract 20. 20 minus 20 is nothing. So I got W equals, and then 85 minus 20 would be 65. So she earned $65 working around the house.